Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that my partner wanted to do. So this is the first time I've ever tried it. It's a very nice chocolatey fresh kind of recipe. It's not really cookies because you don't bake them, but it's kind of like cookies. So I highly recommend you check these out. First off, you want to cut down your chocolate, or you want to blend it so you have very small chocolatey chunks. Then you want to get the peel of a lemon and you want to grate that. It's not a lemon, it's an orange. Then you want to put that all in a bowl. And you want to go ahead and add the hazelnuts. And now mix until it is distributed evenly. Next up, you want to add some rum or anything that's similar. And your vanilla extract. And then the honey. And again, mix until everything is distributed evenly. You will see that it's beginning to stick together now, so you're creating a nice dough. Lastly, you want to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice into that and mix again. Now you want to get some sugar on a bowl or a plate. And you want to go ahead and make these little sticks with your hands. And you can choose whatever shape you like. This is just the ones that we decided to do. And when you're happy with the result, you want to roll them around a little bit in the sugar so they're covered from all the sides, and then you want to let them cool down and settle for a little while, and you're ready to enjoy. So as I said, it's a super easy recipe, very foolproof, and they look a little bit funky, I do admit that, but they taste really nice. So I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!